Welcome to Blender Frenzy. I'm Justin, and I want your tutorial requests. What do you want to see here on YouTube? What do you want to know how to do in Blender? What do you want to make? What do you want to see me show you how to do and to learn myself? That's really it. That's really all I want to know. Just leave a comment below of what you want to see. Now, I have had some requests for different things like green screen. So with the newest Blender, Blender 2.82 right now, how to do and remove the green screen. So that's on the list. I'm also going to be doing video editing quick tips. So like 2 to 3 minutes of like, this is how you do just one particular thing in Blender and kind of roll those out. I've also got a list of some things that interest me. And so those things are doing something like Zach King does with his little magic or video magic, I should say. Actually, I've got some tutorials coming out very soon on how to do some of Zach King's stuff. So stay tuned for that. Along with that, I want to do a Do It in Blender series where you see something in After Effects or Final Cut Pro or Premiere, something in other software programs that you want to see done in Blender. Let me know what really interests you. Like, I don't know, magic zap, like Harry Potter effects, or particle stuff, or maybe some blood and gore or zombie effects. That's something else that's on my list. So anything that you see done in the Pro Tools that you want to know how to do in Blender, let me know in the comments. I also want to do things like camera tracking, object tracking, projection mapping, um, more, and maybe possibly bigger things like portal gun, how to make your own portal gun, and put it into your own footage and make your own portals. So that's cool. Bringing game characters into real life. So for me, I just absolutely love the Half-Life series, and Half-Life Alyx is coming out soon, or it's out. I think it's not out yet, but it's coming out soon. Anyway, bringing some of those characters into your real-time footage, making yourself a game character. So kind of taking a picture or a scan of yourself and then putting it into a game. Zombie Maker, like I said, make yourself look like a zombie or make somebody else look like a zombie. Making your own custom textures from images or procedural textures. Making your own 360 HDRI environment map so that you can project light from an environment map. And then furniture, how to make furniture. I've actually always been fascinated with how to make my own couch and chair and stuff like that. But not just like the basic stuff, but like, really elegant stuff where you can make it and maybe sell it on Turbo Squid or things like that. I think is Turbo Squid a place that you can sell 3D models, I think. Anyway, what I'm saying is let me know what you want. I've let you know kind of a list of things that I enjoy doing and that I would like to pursue. I'll actually leave in the description, I'll leave this list. And then if you want to do something that interests me, you can just say camera tracking or green screen or zombie maker or whatever. Or if you think of something completely new, then leave a comment. So, okay, yeah, so I think you get it. Just leave a comment. Let me know what you want me to do.